Hello and welcome to Sumatri Foods. For today's recipe, we're going to make sambar. Firstly, take 1 cup of toor dal and put it into your pressure cooker. Next, add 2 cups of water for 1 cup of toor dal, i.e. 1:2 ratio. Instead of this, you can use moong dal or chana dal or red lentils. Put on the lid for your pressure cooker and the whistle. Cook it high to medium flame until you get 4 whistles. Here are the ingredients you'll be needing. Dry red chilli, garlic, this seed mix which contains chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and these vegetables. You'll be needing drumstick, long beans, this is optional as well, onion, green chili, ivy gourd also known as dondakai, carrot, cucumber which you can put into sambar, and tomatoes. You will also be needing tamarind which I've already soaked. You have to soak it for 5 to 10 minutes. And oil, sunflower oil, dry red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, methi powder, Asafoetida also known as ingwa, salt. Here is the chopped coriander and vegetables. Firstly, put in your onions, garlic, dry red chili and cumin and other seeds mixture and fry. Fry well and add all your vegetables. Stir well again. Put the lid on top and don't forget to stir in the middle. Put the lid on top every time you stir. Next, add your coriander powder. Then add your curry leaves powder. And then add your red chili powder. Stir and cook for about 1 minute. Next, add your tamarind juice. Take out the pulp, which is not needed. Stir well again. Then add 500 ml of water. Stir well and cook. Put the lid on top as well. When your sambar is bubbling, add your dal. Stir well. Now your sambar is ready. Hope you like this recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.